Let's start. The top of a broken tree has its top ending, a top end, touching the ground at a distance of 15 meters from the bottom. The angle made by the broken end with the ground is 30 degrees. Then the length of the broken part is, here we want only the broken part, this h now. So what's difficult? Quite easy. See, this is 15, this is h, this is 30. Cos 30 equals to 15 by h. H equals to 15 by cos 30, right? Root 3 by 2. So 30 upon root 3. Now if value of root 3 is given in the exam, or check the answers what is given, then solve it for 1.73. If not, then just keep it as it is. 30 equals to what? 3 into 10, root 3 into root 3, right? So root 3 gone 10 root 3. So either 10 root 3 can be the answer, or 10 into 1.73 means 17.32. That can be the answer. So anything, quite simple one.